Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing another peanut butter soup. So this is not like the other peanut butter I have on my channel that I fried and that way. But today everything is gonna be in one pot peanut butter soup. Let's just put it that way. So as you can see in my pot, I already have my meats in here. This is dried chicken, this is turkey, this is meat, and yeah, dried turkey, chicken, and regular turkey and meat. So that's what I have in here. Okay, so let me just say this. Everybody have different ways of cooking. So this is my way of cooking. So just enjoy your eyes and be nice, in the comment section. So like I said, this is the way that I cook. So you can cook the way that you want to cook. If it works for you, fine. For me, this is how I'm gonna be cooking. Okay, so I have my chicken already clean and seasoned with salt and pepper only there. And over here I have 3 Maggi that I'm going to put in here. Okay, and then after that I'm going to use my boiling Maggi, which is almost done. Okay, I'm gonna put crushed pepper. I want this peanut butter soup to be a little bit hot. So yeah, a little bit hot. And I'm also gonna add salt. This is the salt that I'm using. So over here I have my onions. I have 4 onions right here. I have my eggplants right here. This is my eggplant. I have my garlic. I have my peppers. I have my peanut butter from the African store. This is how much it cost, y'all. $8, $7.99. Okay, and I also have my fish, dry fish that I already picked. And I also have other eggplant and tomatoes. So the other eggplant is this. That is what I cut and clean and put over here. But I'm not going to use all of this. I'm just going to use some and then blend some. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is put some of the tomatoes in here. Okay, that's enough tomatoes. And then I'm gonna put some of the onions in here like that, and I'm gonna put 2 peppers in there like that, and then I'm gonna blend. I'm going to blend most of the ingredients now. So like I told you, I'm not going to blend all of this eggplant because I have the other eggplant over there. Eggplant is good for you, so don't judge if you don't use it, which is okay. You don't have to. Okay, so now I'm using my garlic and eggplant as well for flavor, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna blend all of this together, and then I'm gonna put it. Ooh, that's a lot of pepper. Even though one is spicy, but god damn, I can feel it right now in my throat. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is blend these items. And I also forgot to tell you, you will need tomato paste. Yeah, so you will need tomato paste as well for this cooking, okay? So now I'm going to blend. I'm also adding 1 red bell pepper and 1 green bell pepper, okay? Okay guys, as you see, I'm all done blending everything. So now I'm going to pour into my pot. Then I'm going to add my water. So I'm adding 2 of these into my pot. Okay, this is the second one. So the reason for me to add 2 of those, because the meats are not English meats, they're hard chickens. So they're hard meats in here. Hard chicken, the meat is hard, so they will have to, you know, cook down before I add anything else. But as you can see, I have put everything in, and I'm just gonna turn my stove on and let everything cook. This is a big cook, guys, so that's why I'm doing everything to make sure everything is good, okay? So like I said, you don't have to do exactly what I do. You can do whatever works for you. It's fine, but this is how I'm gonna cook my simple peanut butter soup. And when you taste it, trust me, you won't go back to it, okay? So now I'm gonna turn my stove on, and yeah, so let it cook. And when the water gets down, or when the meat's, you know, halfway cooked, then I will add the peanut butter in, and then also I will add my fish, and also the this fish, the fresh fish that I showed you earlier, also gonna go in here. Yes, so this is a delicious peanut butter I am cooking. Okay, so while that is cooking, I just want to show you, this is the rest of the stuff that left, and this is the rest of the tomatoes and eggplant that left. So I'm gonna bag this, you know, I can use it for something else, and you know, as you go on. This is what I say, when you're cooking, you don't know exactly how much you're gonna need until. So this is the situation. But now let's see, let everything cook down and stuff like that, and then we're gonna come back when it's time for me to add the peanut butter. Okay, so like I said, this is very, very simple meal or soup that I'm doing. So I will see you guys back again in a little bit, so I can clean up here mess that I made. Okay guys, so this is how my soup is looking. So So now I'm gonna add the tomato paste because I want some color, and then I'd add my fish, my dry fish. I did add some off camera. It was too much, so I'm gonna save this one right here. But I still have the fresh fish, which I will be adding at the end. So but for right now, I'm gonna add my tomato paste. I'm gonna let this cook for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna add my peanut butter. So now after a couple minutes, even though the tomato paste is gonna dissolve once I put the peanut butter in, so let me get a clean spoon. So this is how the peanut butter looks. So I'm just gonna pour some like this, and then I will see if I need some more or not. You don't want your peanut butter to be too thick, because once this settles down, it will actually get thicker. So now just let everything cook down, you know, everything, the tomato paste, the color change. If I need to add more, if I did add some off camera, I will let you know, but so far I think that's pretty much good. So I will try to season all of my seasonings before I add my fish, because once I add my fish, I don't want to go in and start adding seasonings. So right now, this is the time you can go ahead and add whatever is missing into the soup, okay? Okay, so I don't need to add anything, so I'm just gonna cover it up and let it cook. Okay, so when I'm adding the fish, I will let you guys know as well. Okay guys, so now I'm ready to add my fish, my fresh fish, into the pot and let it cook. So I'm gonna let this cook for next 10-15 minutes. And that's pretty much it. After this cooked, I will show you guys the final result of this peanut butter. But as you can see, my peanut butter is not runny. It's just, you know, where I wanted it, because I'm gonna actually eat this peanut butter with fufu as well, so I don't want it too thick. You know, just the consistency that is here. So that is all that I need. So you guys, as you see, I will show you guys the final look. It tastes so good, and it's hot. It's hot. Okay. Okay, guys, so this is my peanut butter soup. As you can see, it is all done. And I am ready to eat. So this is how it's looking. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you guys for watching. But I'm going to eat my soup with fufu. So this is my bowl. I'm gonna put some of, this is what I was saying about the soup not being too extremely thick, because this is what I'm gonna eat it with most of the time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I want to get some of this fish and this turkey wing, and basically that's it. Okay, so that is it, and this is what I'm gonna be eating. Those are extra for the house, and this is what I'm gonna be eating. Yeah, look at that. Okay, that's peanut butter and fufu. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.